12 hours why ishi na sina. Like 12 hours.
I'm on your way right now. Yeah.
Listen, daughter. Pay attention, pray and listen. Hear your father. These lies they told are so familiar, they will haunt you.
Oh my god, my things are here. I'm so excited. Guys, I'm so happy. I'm so excited. I have a fridge and I have a TV and I have a blender. Wow, God is so good. So saizi nafaa kutafuta fundi mwenye atakuja kuzimount. Kuna fundi hapa ananilipisha tao kumount TV. Ai, hapana. That's a lot bana. Hebu nene nitapata fundi wapi? Niko na cramps. But I'm so happy. Oh my God, God is so good, guys. God is good all the time. God is good. Hi guys, nilitoka run nikakuja nikalala kiasi nikakula and my things were delivered, so fundi amekuja kunimountia TV. TV. I'm so excited, guys. Like you finally have a TV and a fridge. Be surprised, baby, it's just me. Don't be surprised, boy, when I bust it wide. I hypnotize you with this pussy. Now you feel like you can fly. I got you sprung off in the springtime. Fuck all your free time. You don't need no me time. That's you and me. Hey guys, good morning. Today is on Friday. I had my off days yesterday and today, and I decided to call Mama Fua because I'm so tired. Sijisikii kuosha manguo. My face is breaking out. I don't know why. Okay, niko karibu kunyesha, but my face really breaks bana. I'm having breakfast. Yeah. Shopping for my house. Nakwambia nimesema Sam, nimespend sijui pesa ngapi jamani. I'm planning to start doing meal prepping, so I bought some containers and some food. Yeah, and that's it. So see you. Hi guys. Okay, I'm so tired. I can show you kuna shift. Nimechoka. Let me show you the containers I got. Hizi ndio containers nimenunua. Okay, let's go containers. Yeah, the containers I bought for my meal prep and stuff, vegetables, and my small shopping.
is your true leader. Another path from this to please ya. If you're open mind, then it's treason. And I decided what's leading. And if you choose, then you can take every single dollar and the rest you say. Then I will too. I mean, tell me where do we go from here? Feeling everywhere I go. Tripping everywhere I'm always. I don't really care as long as you're playing in my brain. I focus. Whatever you say, I'm on it. I couldn't care less as long as you're.
Hi guys, good morning. Okay, today is on Saturday and I end a shift. I was off Thursday, Friday, and I'm just done preparing. Just jabeba chai but nimebeba lunch. Akiwa udenye niko, it's so busy. Like it's so busy adi you don't even get time to have breakfast. So you really have to prioritize time yako. Ujue time utaenda breakfast ni saa ngapi. Like we are dealing with very tiny children. Nao ni watoto wenye uwezi waacha for long peke yao. So yeah, that is sipendagi kuweka hii bagi kwa kitanda. Sijui nimeshinda Hosea and then I want to put it. So let's go guys. I'm using this body mist because spray ningetaka kujipaka, it's so strong. And those are babies. Sitaki ku affect. This is a very mild body mist. I think after 12 hours why ishi na sina. Like 12 hours. Before 12 hours I'm Aisha. So
I'm burning, I'm letting it
Franco.
I need your loving, so fresh, so clean. Love me in and out, I'm feeling lean. And I'll be down now, anytime you call me. I'll be down, because I love and I love and I love and I love you only. Because I need and I need and I need and I need you more. Yeah, you know I run and I run and I run and I run. Fly in the sky in the night. Hold me in your arms and your love me light. I'm on your way right now.
I just got back home from church and nilipitia, what is it called, City Market, to buy some things, some meat, Chinese kuma. Now that I have a fridge, at least nizanunua vitu in bulk na niziweke. Yeah, and then I'm supposed to get ready for my shift. It's currently 11:40 a.m. Shift yangu inaanza 12:30 a.m. So I just have less than an hour to get ready for my shift. Kukula nini? I didn't even take breakfast asubuhi. So whatever I'm supposed to eat right now, nafaa kukula breakfast and lunch zote pamoja.
I'm on your wave right now. Yeah. I'm on your vibe now.
Hi guys, good morning. It's been long since I vlogged. Like, well, I've been so busy. Shifts zangu zimekuwa like so crazy, but this is the last week niko kwa hiyo ward. So probably after hii ward yenye niko, my next ward zitakuwa hivyo busy. At least nakuwa natoka nyumbani napika because I've not even been cooking. It's either I order food or I just drink something, my yogurt, and I sleep. But anyway, yeah. So leo niko night shift, and I just need to restock my shop. Nafaa kwenda dukani, and then nirudi nilale, and then go for my shift. But let's go restock. Let's do a restock for my shop. Bye.
You got me on your side now. Yeah, I'm on your wave right now.